Sometimes the leaves of your Nepenthes will be covered with white dust. But what is it? Is that dangerous and should you take it out? So let's see. Hi, my name is Remy, and on this channel I explain you everything I know about how to grow Nepenthes on a windowsill. So we've been in winter for a few months now. We are in March, so it was cold before, it's still cold. So the furnace is blowing hot air and everything is drier here. So every species of Nepenthes will react in its own way. Some will slow down the pitcher, there is less pitcher, some will be deformed, the small lid problem, and some will be covered with white waxy stuff on the leaf. But what is it? Actually, that's exactly that. That's wax. So the plant is producing this wax just to protect itself from the dryness outside. So that's a leaf. When it's very hot and dry outside, the heat enters the leaf, and then the leaf will just sweat. The water will exit. Then it will cool down the plant, but the plant will lose a lot of water here. But if the plant produces the wax, it acts like a shield. The water won't be able to exit, and the plant will avoid desiccation. So don't take it out. It will be really useful for the plant if you take it out. It may produce it again or not, but this leaf will start to dry faster. So you want to let it be. This wax is totally normal. You would see when I spray, you will see that compared to plants that don't have this wax, the water don't really go in, and it's probably the case where the water is not getting outside the leaf too. So that's a truncata. So on this leaf there is absolutely no wax, and on this hybrid there is some wax. So as I said, you can take it out. If you press, this wax will be gone and the leaf will just be shiny again. So now we will spray and we will see the difference. And now the other one. So if you look closer, you will see that the water is sticking to the leaf. But on the waxy leaf, the water would stay like a small bubble. And if I blow air on it, the water will just move. So that's it for this quick video. It was just to explain you what is this white stuff and why you should not take it out. So if you have any question, please shoot in the comments, and until next time, happy growing.